Dungeons & Dragons is everywhere. It's clear that with the success of streaming shows like Dimension 20, Critical Role, and many more popping up, that D&D is here to stay, at least for now. And with the wild success of Netflix's Stranger Things, which prominently features a game of D&D, it's safe to say that the general public is more aware of role-playing games than ever before. So what exactly is Dungeons & Dragons, and why is it so popular? Dungeons & Dragons is a role-playing game that was created by two men, Gary Gygax and Dave Arneson, back in 1974. It's come a long way since then, but the basic premise is still the same. Players take on the role of characters in a fantasy world, going on adventures and fighting monsters. I like to say that the Dungeon Master is like the video game console, and the players are like the people playing the video game on that console. The Dungeon Master sets up the world, creates the adventure, and makes sure that the rules are adhered to. The players take on the role of their characters, make decisions for them, and see how those decisions play out. What makes D&D so popular is that it's a very collaborative game. It's not just one person against the world, it's a team effort. Players have to rely on each other to succeed, and that creates a lot of bonds and friendships. Additionally, D&D is a very social game. It's a great way to meet new people, and it's also a great excuse to get together once a week or once a month and step away from reality and into a world of your own creation. But getting down to the core mechanics of D&D, what makes it so unique is that most of the decisions are left to a set of polyhedral dice that you roll to determine the outcome of your action. For example, if you want to see if you can sneak past a guard, you might roll a die to see if you are successful. The higher the number, the better your chance of success. And different dice are used for different things, but don't worry, you only really need to know these things if you're the Dungeon Master. This sort of narrative gambling keeps things interesting because you're never quite sure what's going to happen next. And that's really the essence of D&D. It's a story that you and your friends create together with plenty of surprises along the way. So if you're looking for a fun and social game to play, D&D is definitely it. Hopefully this video helps you understand a little more about Dungeons & Dragons and why it's so popular and why it's growing in success today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your Displacer Beasts, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.